Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. So in this video I will explain you complete details about how to download and install Civil Engineering by Shravan application for the desktop version. So behalf of the many requirements from the students, we are updated our application Civil Engineering by Shravan application to the desktop version. So it was taken approximately around 2 to 3 months of time for developing my desktop version application. So in our application, we are launched the courses like STAAD PRO software, ETABS software, SAP2000 software, REVIT architecture software, PRIMAVERA P6 software courses are available under offer now. You can utilize this offer. And the students, those who are already purchased the course, you can install our desktop version application from the link which I will provide you in the below description of this video, and at the same time I will provide you in the application also. So you can download that particular application and I will show you how to set up that particular application in PC. So you can follow the same steps for the application. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. And if you are not yet downloaded our application, Civil Engineering Shravan application is available in below description of this video, or else you can search Civil Engineering by Shravan in Google Play Store, so that you can able to find my application. You can download my application. If you want to become the professional in architecture engineering, structural engineering, as well as the construction project management, so you can utilize the courses like STAAD PRO, ETABS, SAP2000, REVIT architecture software, as well as the PRIMAVERA software courses. So the certification also provided for the particular course. After completion of the course, you can utilize this offer. So there is a huge discount of 85% to 90% discount on all civil engineering courses, and single packs, 2-in-1 packs, 3-in-1 packs, 4-in-1 packs, at the same time 5-in-1 packs. So utilize this offer, and let's start with our video which is related to how to download and install Civil Engineering Shravan application and how to watch our videos in laptop or PC. So you can follow the same steps. I will explain you the step-by-step process. So let's start our video. Now I will explain you how to access to the desktop and how to download my software. So initially I will provide you the download link in the below description of this video, or else in the application also. These are the two links which are helpful for downloading our application for the Windows access. So I am selecting my first link. So you can select my first link or second link. Both links are same. So click on the copy option. You can come here in the browser. You can paste here. You can click on enter option, so that you can able to see the download link for the software here. Okay, click on this download option. Click on download option here. So click on download anyway. This is the first way to download the software. Otherwise, we have another link also there which is related to this one. You can select that particular link. Click on the copy option. Again, go to select your browser. You can paste here. You can paste here. Click on enter option, so that you are directly download that particular software. These are the two links which are helpful for downloading my software. Both links are same. Okay, you can download anyway. So you can see here my software is downloading. So here you can see the software was downloaded. We will go to the download folders. So go to your this PC, select here and go to downloads option. So you are able to see this both files. You can copy these two files to the desktop, Control X option. Again, you can paste here to the desktop. Okay, so this is the first link I was downloaded the software. This is the second link. So if you are using the first link, you need to extract these files by using right click on this option, click on extract here, so that it will extract the files here. Okay, so this is the software link for installation process for the first link. This is the second link. So now I am using first link for the download installation process. Both the installation will be same for the software. So you can double click on this option. So you can see it was started installing the software here in my desktop. It will automatically create the icon which is related to Civil Engineering Shravan icon. Okay, so after the complete installation, it will show you the complete Civil Engineering Shravan icon here in the desktop. So this is my icon. So you can click on this icon so that the complete software will be open in the desktop. So you can enter my ORG code, or else you can log in with mobile number also. Both the methodology are same for login purpose. So it will send you OTP to your registered mobile number for which the course you are enrolled to my application. Click on verify OTP, so that you will directly log into my application through the desktop access. Now we can see all the courses are open in my desktop. You can see any one of them our courses in desktop. Let us see, we will see about the ETABS software course. Let us consider this. I'm opening this software course. So you can open the content, you can click on the content and you can click on the ETABS software and you can click on the free content option. So this is the free content option. So you can click on this overview and you can apply the coupon codes also here. You can apply those coupon codes and you can buy the course also here. Apply coupon codes. You can click on view option. So if you are having the coupon code, you can enter the coupon code and you can apply here. So click on the content once again, click on this option once again you can scroll down, you can click on this option and you can see the free video, unlocked video, you can watch for the reference purpose. So you can see here, this is my video which is playing here in desktop. So in this way you can access my application, Civil Engineering by Shravan application to the desktop. Most of the people are asking me about the access to the desktop or PC. You can apply this same procedure for accessing your application, Civil Engineering Shravan application to the desktop. Okay, log in with your registered mobile number so that it will completely get your access to the register mobile number to the course. Okay, in this way you can enjoy our courses in the desktop. So this is the process of downloading and this software will be only only download in Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, you can apply the same procedure for the Windows and you can enjoy the courses through the desktop version videos, through watching your videos through the desktop. Thank you. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. Thank you. We will see in the next class.